One little tip I have for you though is that you can actually bypass the waste yarn and save yourself a little bit of time. A lot of times I like to cast on using the cable of a circular needle or even of an interchangeable set with a stopper on each end of the cable. I like to use that as my waste yarn. And so when I'm ready to start knitting from the other end, my stitches are already on a needle and ready to go. And so it's really the exact same process, but because the cable is a little bit stiffer, it's just a little more fiddly. So again, I'm holding the end of my waste yarn or my cable in my right hand, and I'm set up as if to, almost as if to work a long tail cast on. And I'll just go under and over and under and over, under and over. And again, finish up by locking that stitch, bringing the working yarn underneath the cable. And then you can see that when you want to work with these live loops, all you need to do is either slide up your needle tip or screw on a needle, and then you're ready to go.